Welcome to the File Management activity for computer design. The first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and go somewhere on your desktop and right-click, choose New Folder. Type in Computer Class. This is where you will save anything for computer class. Please do not start just throwing everything on your desktop. Stay organized. Go ahead and open up that folder once you've created it by double-clicking on it. Once that folder is opened, go ahead and right-click. You're going to be creating several folders that you will maintain throughout computer class. So right-click and choose New Folder and go ahead and type in Images. Hit the Enter key when you are done. You can right-click again and choose New Folder, or you can choose New Folder at the top, whichever method you prefer. Type in Sound and hit Enter. The next one will be Word, where all your Microsoft Word documents will be stored. Websites. This is where you will put several shortcuts to some of your favorite websites. Go ahead and right-click again, choose New Folder, or choose New Folder at the top. Choose PowerPoint. Now, let's say for example you make a mistake in your spelling. You can go ahead and right-click and choose Rename. That's how you would rename a folder. So I'll call this PowerPoint. Once you've created those folders, we're going to go ahead and start adding things to those folders. So let's go ahead and go to the internet. Go ahead and open up a browser. I'm going to go ahead and use Firefox. Go ahead and go to Google. So I type in google.com and type in something you want to look up. So for example, I might look up a cute puppy. Once you type that in, choose Images. Now this is really important. Make sure that you change Safe Search to Filter Explicit Results. You want to make sure that Safe Search is on. That's really important. So if you don't see the on up here in the upper right corner when doing an image search, make sure there's a check next to Filter Explicit Results. Now if you wanted to get a large image, you would choose Search Tools, then go over here to Size and choose Large. And I will go ahead and choose a photo. I will click on the image. If the image is of poor quality, for you, it is most likely filtered on your computer. If it's poor quality, do not save the image. I do want this image, so I will right-click. I will choose Save Image As. I will go to my desktop. I will open up that computer class folder, and I will open up Images. Do make sure you rename it under File Name. I will call it Cute Puppy, and then I will click Save. My next image is going to be one of my favorite food items, so chocolate. And again, I want to make sure that I get large images. When you locate an image you want to save, click on the image. Make sure it's of good quality before you save it. And that actually looks pixelated, so I won't be saving that. So I'll go ahead and look for another image. I'll try this image. And it might take a while to load. That is of really high quality. I'll right-click and choose Save Image As. Make sure I get it into the Computer Class Images folder on my desktop. And I will call it Chocolate. Once you have two images from the internet, we're going to go ahead and go to the next part of this activity. The next folder is PowerPoint. I will go ahead and go to the Start menu, choose All Programs, and scroll down here until you find the Microsoft Office folder. And you're going to open up Microsoft PowerPoint. If a window like this opens, go ahead and ignore it. You will choose File, New, and choose Blank Presentation. Once that's opened, all you're going to do is you're not going to add anything to this presentation. You'll choose File, Save As. You will go to your desktop, go to your computer class folder, go into PowerPoint, and you're going to name it About Me and choose Save. Once that's done, close it. The next few steps are going to show you how to make shortcuts to some popular sites we will be using throughout computer class. So go to the internet, type in KidsNetSoft, and go ahead and choose that top option. Now this is my website. You will be using it frequently throughout computer class. So you're going to want to move it somehow to the side. You will open up that website folder on the desktop. Do you see that little symbol next to www? Drag that in to the folder. So now if I close out the website and I double click, it should open up my website. That's going to be one of the popular sites that we use. Another one is go ahead and click on the Google icon on the KidsNetSoft page and notice the Classroom site. Go ahead and open that up. Again, move it to the side and drag that icon into that folder. These are going to be some popular sites that we use throughout this class. The next activity will be kind of fun. Go ahead and go to the home page of KidsNetSoft. Click on Cool Sites. Take a moment to explore some of these sites, and once you find one that you like, open it up. So for example, I'm going to open up Free Rice. This is a fabulous website that will allow you to practice your vocabulary building. You could also change subjects to practice different topics. So for example, if you wanted to practice your Spanish. The beauty of this website is if you get it correct, 10 grains of rice will go to the poor. So I'll go ahead and with that site open, Free Rice, I will move it to the side and I will drag that in to be a shortcut. You need at least 3 shortcuts. The last activity will have you go to the Start menu, go to All Programs, scroll down, and open up the Microsoft Office folder. Open up Microsoft Word, choose File, Save As, go to your desktop, open up Computer Class, open up Word, and name this poster. Choose Save. This concludes the session on how to maintain files throughout computer design class. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.